Pineapple sage is native to the oak and pine forests of Mexico and Guatemala's Sierra Madre del Sur mountains. The herb was introduced to the United States as an ornamental plant during the 19th century. Pineapple sage has fuchsia-colored flowers and an attractive scent to the leaves that is similar to pineapple. The plant produces loads of flowers in the fall and is planted for ornamental purposes as well as culinary reasons. The tubular flowers attract butterflies and hummingbirds, and the whole stems are used in bouquets and flower arrangements, making them popular with home growers. Grow pineapple sage in full sun and moist, well-drained soil. Plants will wilt if too dry. Leaves will begin to curl up when the plant is dry. Keep evenly moist throughout the season to prevent leaves from dropping. Plants can be pinched when young to produce more branching for denser growth. The bright colors of marigolds, calendulus, nasturtiums, pepper plants are wonderful around pineapple sage. Planting pineapple sage in the garden or as a border attracts bees and other beneficial insects to your garden while adding bright color. However, sage negatively affects the growth of cucumbers, so don't plant it near them. Both the leaves and the flowers are edible, and when fresh can be used whole as a garnish or in salads or desserts. As an herb, the leaves and the flowers can be used as tea. Pineapple sage is used extensively in Mexican traditional medicine, especially for the treatment of anxiety. Pineapple sage is an excellent source of vitamin K and is a source of vitamins B6, N, A, and C, manganese, dietary fiber, potassium, and folate.